All right, so now we want to be able to clear local storage when we reset the day. So it's up to you if you want to include the calorie limit in the reset, because you might not want to do that. You might want to keep the calorie limit, which is 1600 in this case, or you might want to reset it back to 2000. Because if we look in our storage right here, the limits it's getting put in there by get calorie limit in the storage, and if we look at that get calorie limit, it has a default of 2000. So if you want to reset that to 2000, you can. I think maybe we should keep the limit and just get rid of the other two. Now, one thing that I noticed is when we click set daily limit, if we have it in storage, it doesn't show, right? It's still empty. So what I'm going to do just to fix that is add a line to the constructor of the tracker. So I'm going to get that input. So get element by ID. It has an an ID of limit, and I'm going to set the value to this dot underscore calorie limit. So if I do that, and then I click this, it has whatever the limit is in the form. All right, now let's see. We already have a reset right here. So in the tracker, we already have a reset. Clears the UI, but I also want to run, let's say, storage dot, and I'm going to call this clear all. And then we'll go down to our storage and add that. So let's see at the very bottom here, let's say clear all. So like I said, what you're going to do here, it depends on if you want to include the limit or not. Because if you want to include the limit, then you could simply do local storage dot clear, and that will absolutely get rid of everything. All right, let's try that. So we'll save, and we'll come over here and click reset. Something's going on. Clear all is not a function. Oh. Forgot static. Okay, so let's go back to this tab and reset, and now you can see everything went away. And if I reload the page, this goes back to 2000. So if I want to keep the limit, like let's say we want to change it back to 1600, and then let's just add a meal real quick. Okay, so if we do that, and I want to keep the limit, then I'm going to just do each one individually. So instead, I'll comment that out and say local storage dot remove item, and we're going to remove the total calories, and then we're also going to remove meals and workouts, but the calorie limit will stay. Right, so if we do that and I click reset day, everything goes away except for the limit. So here I'll just say if you want to include, or say clear the limit. Okay, so yeah, I think that we're good for now. I might add on to this. We're definitely going to refactor this to use Webpack and to use a more modern tooling environment. We'll do that after we talk about what tooling actually is and what modules are, etc. So we will be working with this project again, but I think we've done quite a bit here in terms of in functionality and just learning how to structure our code, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.